Hello. So, let's start with, I've got the wrong pointy thing. We've got a little grey heart here, then 2, then 1, then 2. So how many do we want? 1, that's right. So that gets rid of that one. Now we want to have a look at this. Imagine it's a fat lady's bottom, and you can see her from behind. She's sort of sat down. With these, the thing with non-verbal reasoning is nobody can look into your head. So always make it silly, make it slightly rude, and make it quite clear what you mean. Never make it horrible or violent or angry, because our brains are designed to just get rid of horrible memories. Our brains like to be happy. That's where they lead us. We are designed to be happy. If you dwell on bad thoughts, it will make you ill, and in non-verbal, it will make you get the wrong answer, because that's how your brain works. So make it funny. Now, for me, fat women bottoms are funny because I've got one. See? Huge. So she's sat on her body, sat on her body, sat on her body, sat on her body. This one isn't, so we can get rid of that one. So now we've got a 1 in 3 chance, even if we just guess from this point. Now, what else have we got? No stripes, 1 stripe, 2. So go no, 1, 2, 3. So we want 4. 1, 2, 3. That's not it. Oh, this looks like a lot, but count it just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Let's hope it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our answer's E. Ta-da!